The item will begin nested with all the pieces you'll need to assemble your way to organization. Start by taking inventory of the parts. You should have 1 lid, 3 frames, 12 legs, and 3 drawers. If you're missing any pieces, don't hesitate to reach out to our customer service reps. Grab a frame and lay it flat on the ground, pegs up. Be sure the word back is always in the back as you build the unit. This will make sure all of the drawer stops are aligned on the frame. Next, insert the white end of a leg. Add the remaining legs, pop on the next frame, and move up layer by layer. Be sure the word back is always in the back as you build the unit. Insert the clear drawers, which include a through handle, providing a firm grip on either side. Proudly made in the USA.